Hello everyone, we got Chat GPT 5 finally. Yesterday लाइव स्ट्रीम हुई थी और उसमें बहुत बड़े अनाउंसमेंट्स हुए हैं और बेस्ट पार्ट इज चैट जीपीटी 5 is publicly available and it's also available to free users. It was very big question for me क्योंकि the rates are pretty high for everyone to access it. So it was a really necessary thing कि they do something for people who want open access to it, right? But open access तो नहीं है actually, but free access ज़रूर है. Or there are a lot of features and they really did it well to provide it publicly because it's a big deal, right? It's gonna create a lot of huge impact. And as they said in the stream, it's like having PhD experts from all different fields in your pocket. So we'll check that, right? We'll ask it some crazy questions. I'm so excited to show you how's it gonna do with different questions. They say it's doing super in front end. It's a bit creative. Its key जो context window है, it's 300 times more. It's not three times. It's 300 times more. It means it can remember a whole book at once, and that's a big deal. I'll show you why it's a big deal. It can do coding. Like there, I have seen some benchmarks and I see there are a few other models which are already doing great in thinking, but I have seen it create literally huge softwares out of scratch, and that's a big thing. We are gonna discuss that too. We'll see how it works, right? But the best part is we already have ChatGPT 5 now. Everyone's gonna test it. I'm really excited to see how people see it, how people perceive it, and best part is how is it gonna impact lives of people, probably millions, right? Maybe billions, I don't know. So let's dive into it directly. Let's see how it responds to my questions. मैंने ये सारे questions बहुत पहले से different AI से पूछ रखे हैं और I already got results. स्टार्टिंग में जब ChatGPT 3.5 आया था तो आई यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस लाइक कैन यू सॉल्व दिस मैथ प्रॉब्लम, कैन यू आंसर दिस पजल, बट asking these things to ChatGPT 5 literally is meaningless, right? So we are gonna directly ask some complex questions which are mostly related to coding, and we'll see how it do how is it doing with physics and 3D projects and some challenging tasks जो मैंने पहले भी Gemini, Grok वगैरह को दे रखे थे. And we also would do a comparison between coding of Grok and ChatGPT 5. We'll use the same prompt and we'll see how ChatGPT 5 is able to do in comparing to Grok 4, because we know there's a close call in few reasoning benchmarks. So let's get started. Let's directly jump into it. राइट, सो मेरे पास ये प्रॉम्प्ट है. मैंने मैथ्यू बर्मन की वीडियो देख रखी है. ही यूज द सेम प्रॉम्प्ट, बट मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ. इवेंचुअली आई वांटेड टू यूज द सेम प्रॉम्प्ट एज वेल, सो आई थॉट लेट्स ट्राई दिस. और टू मेक थिंग्स अ बिट better, I'm having something for you. I'll give the same prompt to Grok 4 as well using Perplexity Pro K through Grok का access है. So let's see how it does. Let me just do one more thing. Okay, we got Grok working on the same thing as well, and to accelerate things a bit, I'm gonna do the same thing here as well. It's Claude Sonnet 4. I think Opus would not be available, but let's try Sonnet and let's see. I'm really excited to see the difference. Okay, here we got something. Uh, and I think it's a plane. That's a very horrible plane, I would say. But अगर हम लोग बात करें, it was really quick at doing it. I cannot control the camera here, and the plane is okay. It's like quite weird. ठीक है, जो प्लेन है वो कुछ तो दिख रहा है, यूएफओ जैसा कुछ तो सीन है. चलो 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 वापस चलते हैं. लेट्स गो टू Kurok and let's see if I can run this one. So please have eyes on it. No, I don't consider this thing a plane. So even though it can do 360 flips, it's really cool. Okay, so there are clouds technically. Eh? Planes going outside the earth. I don't know what the hell is this thing. बट ठीक है, प्लेन के मामले में अपन ने यहाँ पे आई गिव clear 100% to this Claude Sonnet. It's not even Claude 4 Opus. Let's go again. And this time, now that's what I call a plane. That is a plane. People, if you can see this, you can see this. That's a difference. Let me try. Okay, you can crash the plane. Nothing's gonna happen. I can do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can literally make any. Okay. Do that, whatever you want. Okay, so we know that it's doing really significant in it. Or now I just ask it to make it something similar to the Minecraft word, and it's gonna do it. Whoa. Whoa. Man, if you saw that now. मुझे प्लेन देखना है पूरा. मैं प्लेन को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, वरना तो मैं दिखाना चाह रहा था भाई साहब कि वो माइनक्राफ्ट वर्ड दिखता कैसा है. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा. लेट्स ट्राई. बस 7-8 वर्ड्स का ये प्रॉम्प्ट है, एंड इफ यू वांट अगेन आई एम गिविंग द सेम प्रॉम्प्ट टू क्लॉड एंड अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. ग्रॉक 4 लो भाई साहब. थिंक हार्ड भी बोल दिया इनसे, और यहाँ पे तो मेरे को नया ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. लेट्स सी. तो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ बिग डील, बट लेट्स ट्राई. ओके, नाउ आई गेट इट कि इतना जल्दी क्यों दे दिया. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्लो है यार. And this is not how real life physics works. I'm definitely sure. Last time I was in a real world and I saw it's not like this. Okay, यहाँ पे आप gravity 9 point. Okay, actually that makes sense. That does make sense. मास को अगर बढ़ा दूं. Okay, लेंथ को बढ़ा देते हैं थोड़ा सा. डैम्पिंग इफेक्ट है यहाँ पे, जिसको आप चेंज कर सकते हो. मास को कम कर सकता हूँ, बट क्यों ही कम करूँगा भाई. बट पेंडुलम पेंडुलम लुक्स कूल, राइट, है ना. आई हैव टू agree to this. By the way, to be honest, ये है हमारे ग्रॉक. जितना सिंपल मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट दिया था उतना ही सिंपल रिस्पॉन्स भी है. सो इट्स रियली doing only whatever is asked to it. And are you ready to see what GPT has made for me? हैं भाई साहब, मैंने ये तो इससे कभी नहीं पूछा था. Bro, you failed me. 2D double pendulum, I never asked for it. It's just one pendulum, man. uh, but no one asked it for the double pendulum, so that's quite not cool. अभी जो मैं इसको प्रॉम्प्ट देने वाला हूँ, that prompt, actually literally every AI failed me in this one, and I'm going to write it. और मैं ये प्रॉम्प्ट किसी और AI को देने वाला भी नहीं होते हैं. थिंक हार्ड मैंने बोल दिया इससे. Now even I'm not sure about what is it gonna do. So actually, to have one parameter, I'll still go to Claude to ask it this. Man, That is whoa, 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 whoa. This is what I got from Claude, and I am like, okay, it looks living. It looks like a living creature. But look at those legs, man. Look at those legs. I would love to eat this thing. It looks like a chocolate spider. Let's see it if it can move. No, it cannot move. Body scale. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So they go. The reason I said 8 legs is you can see why I said that. Leg spread. Leg spread. I don't know what this thing's doing. I haven't asked for any animation again. It just had to make it. But a reset view. So I can like 100% be confident that this alien thing right here is not um, it's not a spider. Uh, maybe I'll not get an answer. अभी AI उतना strong नहीं हुआ है that it can है what the it made a spider. It made a spider. 4 legs work fine. The rest of the four are really weird. It looks very weird, man. It looks very weird. हाँ तो भाई देखो स्पाइडर तो कोई नहीं बना पाया बट द क्लोजेस्ट वी गॉट इज फ्रॉम चैट जीपीटी 5 itself. इट्स अगेन वर्किंग ऑन इट. ये इसने मरा हुआ स्पाइडर बना दिया है यार. 2 legs तो लेग्स की जॉइंट्स तो सही जगह पे हैं बट the way they are moving and the spider has no eyes. I didn't knew that spider is technically a snowman. Man, it looks like it's so pathetic. It looks like a crumbled spider. Okay, it looks like it's working now. Hi, hi, hi. Big fan, G, big fan. Okay, that's quite cool. It's gonna work on this. And actually, मेरा ये Lego builder set भी बढ़िया काम किया. So I think I've shown you a lot of these things, and my opinion is that it is a significant leap, but over the few days there would be a lot of fixes. Or yeah, it's not like from tomorrow the world's gonna change. Free economy, people would fly in air and all. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, but yeah, it's still a big step towards uh, things becoming easy. So I'm gonna actually be making another video about the benchmarks and about how it works as an agentic AI. And till then, please let me know how you find this video, and I hope it might be useful for you as well. I hope आप लोग भी try करो ChatGPT 5 को and tell me some more things and some use cases to me as well, because it's gonna skyrocket production.